Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'd like to show you this viral problem online that will test your logic and counting skills. The combined weight of the cat and the bunny is 10 kilograms. The combined weight of the dog and the bunny is 20 kilograms. And also the combined weight of the dog and the cat is 24 kilograms. Using mental calculations only, can you determine the combined weight of the dog, cat, and bunny? If this problem captured your interest, you can pause this video and try to solve on your own first. To easily visualize the calculation, imagine we have another weighing scale on the side. The first step here is to combine any 2 out of 3 known weights. For example, let's combine the dog and the bunny, and the dog and the cat. This gives us 2 dogs, 1 cat, and 1 bunny. The total weight of all these must be 20 plus 24, which is 44 kilograms. And then the weight of the cat and the bunny combined is given as 10 kilograms. So if we take out the cat and the bunny from the weighing platform, the remaining weight should be 44 minus 10, or 34 kilograms. Since the 2 dogs weigh 34 kilograms, 1 dog should weigh half of it. So 1 dog weighs 17 kilograms. Now that we know the weight of the dog, we can determine the rest. The dog and the bunny weigh 20 kilograms. Since the dog weighs 17 kilograms, the bunny must weigh 20 minus 17, or 3 kilograms. Similarly, we can find the weight of the cat by using either the combined weight of the cat and bunny, or the dog and cat. Either way, you'll get the same weight for the cat. Say, we use the dog and the cat. The combined weight is 24 kilograms, so if we subtract the 17 kilograms weight of the dog, we get the weight of the cat that is 7 kilograms. Finally, we can determine the combined weight of the dog, cat, and bunny. We simply add the weights of each. So 17 plus 7 plus 3, which is 27. The combined weight is 27 kilograms. But what if I told you there's an even faster solution to get the answer? One where you could actually solve this within seconds. All right, here it is. Instead of solving for the weight of each animals, why not go for the combined weight of the 3 directly? Just add all the 3 known weights together. The dog and bunny, the cat and bunny, and the dog and cat. This gives us a total of 2 dogs, 2 bunnies, and 2 cats with a total weight of 20 plus 10 plus 24 kilos, which is equal to 54 kilos. Now, let us remove 1 dog, 1 bunny, and 1 cat. We are left with yet another dog, cat, and bunny, which is exactly what we need. This makes the total weight to be reduced by half, so the total weight remaining is 27 kilograms. We have solved the same exact problem with way less time, and you can do this in your head. If you like this video, leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more interesting math puzzles.